Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stardew Valley local co-op. First, from the main menu, select Co-op, then Host. You can either start a brand new farm or load one of your existing single-player saves to convert it into a co-op farm. This is the essential first step to bringing your friends into the delightful world of Pelican Town. Remember, you'll need to prepare your farm for extra hands, so let's get started on that. To accommodate your friends, each player needs their own cabin on the farm. You can easily build these by visiting Robin at the carpenter's shop. Select Construct Farm Buildings and choose the cabin option. Each cabin is quite affordable, costing just 100 gold and 10 pieces of stone, and Robin will have it ready for you in one day. You can build up to 3 cabins for a total of 4 players. Stardew Valley local co-op allows up to 4 players to share the same screen and farm. Before you launch the game, make sure all additional controllers are properly connected to your system. Once the host has loaded the farm, each additional player simply needs to press the Start button on their connected controller. They will then be prompted to select a character or create a new one and join the farming adventure. In co-op mode, you and your friends will share the same farm, money, and resources, fostering a true team effort. While you work together on the farm, each player maintains their own individual inventory, skill levels, and personal relationships with the townsfolk. When you're ready to finish playing, the host simply saves the game, and everyone's progress will be stored. It's a wonderful way to experience farm life together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.